Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through a really important setup: how to install Visual Studio Code, configure it for C++, and write your very first C++ program. Let's dive right in. To start with, we need to install vscode. So open your browser and head over to Google. Type in vscode download for Windows and hit enter. You'll see options for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Download the one that matches your operating system. Once the download is complete, click to open the installer. You'll see a few dialog boxes. Just keep clicking Next, and then finally click Install. Since I already have it installed, I'll skip this part, but make sure you complete the installation on your system. Once that's done, open up Visual Studio Code. Now, let's set it up for C++. Open the official documentation for VS Code. On the right-hand side, you'll see a menu. Scroll down until you find the C++ section and click on it. Since I'm using Windows, I'll go with the G++ for Windows option. The documentation lists everything step by step. First step, install VS Code. Done. Next, we need to install the C++ extension from the Extensions tab in VS Code. Click on the extensions icon on the left and search for C++. You'll find the extension from Microsoft. Install it. I had already installed it, but just for your ease, I uninstalled and reinstalled it to show you the process. Next up, we need a compiler, and for that, we'll install MinGW. Why do we need this? Well, C++ is a compiled language. That means we need a compiler to convert our code into machine-readable instructions. MinGW provides us that, along with tools like G++ and GDB. So, we'll install MSYS2, which gives us access to MinGW and a package manager. Click the direct installer link from the documentation. Once it downloads, open it, and again, keep clicking. Next, until it starts installing. Once installed, an MSYS2 terminal will open automatically. Now go back to the documentation, copy the commands listed there, and paste them into the terminal, one by one, to install all the required tools. After you've followed the steps in the MSYS2 terminal, it's time to confirm everything is working. In the terminal, run these three commands: gcc-version, gpp-version, gdb-version. If they return version numbers, perfect. That means MinGW has been installed successfully. Now, one last important step. We need to add MinGW to our system's path. On your Windows system, search for Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on it, then click on the Environment Variables button. Under Path, click Edit, then click New, and add the path to your MinGW's bin folder. Click OK, OK again, and that's it. The path is now added. Everything's now set up. Go back to Visual Studio Code, create a new file and name it hello.cpp. Now write a simple program. Now click on the Run Code button, or right-click and choose Run Code. You'll see the output in the terminal. Awesome! Your first C++ program is running. You can try changing the output, write your name instead of Hello World, or try some other message. Keep practicing and make sure everything runs smoothly on your system. If you face any issue during installation or setup, don't hesitate. Just drop a comment below and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.